Look at the wings on those Dodge from this angle. Oh, brilliant! That's the Custom Royal. Thinks it's a Cadillac, but it's a Dodge. Or better yet, Dodge Ram. Lovely Chevy. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Oh, the popcorn truck. Wow. And this Pierce Arrow. You're never going to see anything like that except for at Hershey. Of course, we're following through on Fords. What's that, 41? 50. F1. That was exciting. That got a rise out of the crowd.
Yep, it's starting a little late these days.
That's the 40th. Oh, look at this. Which way do you look, folks? Which way do you look? Big stuff you cannot see normally. Bonnie, of course. Grand Prix, doing good. Oh, look at this. Convertible. My gosh. That's a New Yorker. Not a letter, but still beautiful. Oh, got punched in the tail. What a shame. There we go, another Rio. Lovely. Little SS. Here's your Continental. Post-war Continental. Last of the V12s. Another Continental. And then Henry's Lady. Of course, the Buick Riviera. Luxury, followed by absolute pure utilitarian. The Tin Snail, the 2CV. Listen to a 6 horsepower grind away. Bonjour! Little Ford Model A, of course. Oh, that's beautiful. What's that, Caddy? I'm going to zoom in for a second. Let's take a look-see. Oh, lovely. Seeing these cars in the morning are just so special. Nice Econoline. Oh, look at that Bentley. Cool. Mustang convertible. Killer 73. Lovely Ford. Jaguar looks like a 2+2. Yeah. Nope, straight E-Class. That's the second time I got fooled by that. Jeez.
We have a gold Chrysler van.
One guess what that bike was.
Immediately, gold Chrysler van, Pennsylvania registration.